Hi, I'm Jackie, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to link the sales funnel with the course that you've created in Systeme. Just before we carry out our live test, is link the sales funnel with the course. So when they've paid for the funnel, they'll be given automatic access to the course. So let's just pop in back into our screen. And I'm going to come across to products and then back to my course. And we're just going to look at the settings. So this will be the overall settings. And what we do is we come down. So we set all this up earlier. And we're going to choose the course funnel that we created, that we've been setting up. And then save it up here. Changes saved. And that's it. You're done. And you're now ready to perform your live test. So I hope that's all made sense. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to run the live test, which is always very exciting, just to check that it's all running through smoothly, and then we can definitely go live.